Hi, Luke here from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Mitsubishi Triton, stock number 5891. This ran from 08 2009 to 04 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre diesel turbo engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. Here we have the 4D56 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents, bonnet, (17-inch) factory alloy mag, left front mirror, left front door, 3 dents, left front door trim, left front seat, left rear door, slight fold in the front, left front door trim, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre, left front tail light, rear tailgate, good private, small dent left hand corner, right rear tail light, 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre, left rear door, no dents, right front door, 2 dents, right front seat, center console, manual gear sticks, single stack factory stereo, AC controls, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, courtesy light, instrument cluster, factory steering wheel with cruise control, master switch,